What's going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going over how to buy and sell stocks on M1 Finance in 2021 and beyond, and go over pretty much how this brokerage account works for anybody out there that's not too familiar, and for anybody out there that's interested and maybe even starting an account here with M1 Finance. This is going to be a great video for you, a quick, simple, straight to the point type of video. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out my M1 Finance playlist down below if you guys want to see how my personal account here got from $0 to $8,300 in a little bit over 1 year's time. So let's get into it, guys. And first and foremost, to actually buy stocks, you're going to need a little bit more cash in your account than a whopping 3 cents, which is what I have in this account. And you could buy with 3 cents. I mean, hey, M1 Finance does do fractional shares, but I want to buy a little bit more than just 3 cents. So we're going to have to deposit here with M1 Finance. And in this case, I'm going to do $250, right? So you have from your bank account, you link your bank account, obviously, like you do on any other brokerage account, and then you send it to your portfolio, which in this case is the Stosserfest portfolio. Then once you hit continue, boom, you hit confirm, and then you have $250 in your account. The transfer usually happens the next day, and once you deposit $250, the second you hit that confirm button, you can actually go and place different trades. And for me, I'm not going to buy any new stocks. I'm just going to add to my existing 19 to 20 positions here, which you guys can see on my M1 Finance portfolio. And the beautiful thing about M1 Finance is it's actually a pie system, and you can add to any individual slice you want and kind of see, okay, where is it in terms of the actual target and the target that you've set for it, right? Where is it actually versus the target you've set to it for it in terms of percentages, right? And in this case, since we have some that are underweight, meaning they're under the target allocation that I want them to be at, I'm going to add to those specific positions to kind of beef them up and bring them back to what their target is. So we're going to disperse that $250 and put it into these different stocks. So the first one I want to buy and show you guys here is going to be Procter & Gamble. So let's go back a second, right? The way you do it is, okay, you have your slices here. You simply click onto the stock. You go to buy/sell, and here it shows you, okay, how much dollar value do you want to put into Procter & Gamble? You don't buy shares here on M1 Finance. You don't buy shares like 1, 2, 3 shares. No. You buy in dollar value. So for me, I want to put $50 into Procter & Gamble. Might as well do $50.03 to get rid of that 3 cents there. Hit continue, and that's literally it, guys. Put confirm buy, and it's going to go through at 9:30 a.m. on Monday, since I'm making this video here on a Saturday. And this is a very key point with M1 Finance, and you guys have to pay attention here, right? This is not a trading brokerage by any means. It's an investing, long-term investing type of brokerage, because the key thing when you're short-term trading is, okay, I want to pinpoint my entries and exit points, right? But with M1 Finance, you can't do that. There's something called a trading window, which you guys can see here. The trading windows are at 9:30 a.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whenever the market's open. And if you sign up for M1 Plus, you can also have a 3 p.m. trading window here on the East Coast. And of course, wherever you are, you can change the time zones for where you are. But what that means is you cannot pinpoint your entry points and exit points. It pretty much puts the trade through between 9:30 a.m. and 9:35 a.m., wherever the stock is trading at that point. So long term, in my opinion, it doesn't really matter if you're buying, let's say, Procter & Gamble at, let's see where it's at right now. It doesn't matter if you buy it at $139.30 or $140, right? Long term, it doesn't make much of a difference, which is why I don't really care about the trading window thing. But If you're a person that is very specific, OCD about your entry points, maybe M1 Finance it might not be for you. So that is one thing worth noting here with the trading windows. And again, all these buys are going to go through 9:30 a.m. on Monday, right? So stock one I bought is Procter & Gamble. We might as well add a little bit more here to PayPal, although it is at a pretty decently high price, I guess you can say. I'm still going to average in because long term I want my PayPal shares to beef up, right? I want to average up. It's also known as dollar cost averaging, right? Build out my position. So I'm going to put $50 here into PayPal, confirm that buy, done. And then if we go back here to portfolio, let's see what other stocks could we add to here, guys. Maybe put a little bit of money into Microsoft, right? Big tech at this point when I'm filming this video is taking a bit of a hit, right? Amazon, Microsoft, Apple even is, and Netflix, right? So I'm going to put $50 into Microsoft, confirm buy. Very similar to what we just did, literally the same thing with Procter & Gamble and PayPal, right? And let's see, another one I could add to is maybe I put a little bit into Amazon, right? Maybe $50 into Amazon here, buy $50 worth of Amazon, click confirm buy. That is through, boom, just like that. Very simple, guys. And if we go back, maybe I put another $50 in, hey, maybe some AT&T. AT&T is down a ton. It's near the 52-week low at this point. And the dividend is very high right now, so might as well buy a little bit there for a dividend play. And just like that, we just bought 5 different companies, $50 each, dispersing that $250 in cash throughout the portfolio. It's literally that simple, guys. And if you come down here, upcoming trades, click view details, you can see exactly what you just did. And once it goes through, it goes to your activities tab, so you can see exactly where you bought the stock, what price, how much of it in terms of fractional shares, and so forth. So $50 Amazon, $50 PayPal, $50 Microsoft, $50 AT&T, $50.03 of Procter & Gamble, and that's literally it, right? Now, once 9:30 a.m. hits on Monday, these trades go through, and we're golden. So that's pretty much how to buy stocks here on M1 Finance. And if you want to add a new one, maybe buy a new one, it's simple. You go here to edit, you go to, add a stock, right? You go to add whatever you want. Let's say we wanted to add, Tesla. We'd click Tesla, we'll add it and go through the same process, right? Putting however much we want to put into Tesla. But in this case, I don't want to add any new stocks to my portfolio. I just want to add to the existing ones, which is why I averaged into the ones I already own. And let's say I wanted to trim a position. And quite honestly, guys, I've only sold stocks in this account, I'm trying to think, maybe 2-3 times. I'm mostly just buying, reinvesting. I'm not taking money out and depositing, taking it out and putting it and withdrawing it, right? I'm not doing that. I'm mostly buying, but I have sold 2-3 times before. I took some losses and I've rebalanced, taking shares off of a current position, putting it into a top position, right? Averaging back in, rebalancing, but for the most part, not much selling. So let's say, for example, I wanted to sell something, and why not? I'll sell something, a little piece of something in this video, just for the purpose of the video, right? Duke Energy is probably my least favorite holding, so I'll sell a little bit of Duke Energy, right? All you got to do is go to buy, sell again. You go to sell instead of buy, and it's the same process, right? So let's say I wanted to sell $20 worth of Duke Energy. Actually, no, let's do like $10, right? Because I don't hate Duke Energy, but it's my least favorite, and it has a place in the portfolio. So, okay, $10, we'll do that, confirm, sell, and now if we go back to that activities tab, the view details in the beginning of the video portion, you guys can see here $10 of Duke Energy is set to sell. And we're going to be able to now, if we wanted to, take that 10 that we sold out of Duke and just put it straight into another stock, right? So now if we go buy and sell, it should say a $10 cash balance. There we go. Available for orders, $10. Now let's say I want to put $10 into McDonald's. That is how you do it, right? Confirm buy. We just took the $10 from Duke, right? That's going to sell on Monday, and we're just simply taking that and funneling selling it into McDonald's. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is how you buy and that is how you sell stocks here on M1 Finance. So if you all enjoyed the video, hit the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and if you guys want to join M1 Finance, check out the link down below. All you have to do is deposit, I believe, any amount of money, or maybe it's $100, and you get $10 free. Either way, you get $10 free. So check out that link down below. And again, another note, let me tell you, I can't reiterate it enough. This is not a trading brokerage. This is for long-term investors. So keep that in mind. Again, go get your $10 free down below. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, stay safe out there and peace out.